production number. We have witnessed them wearing the resorts wear. The best in resorts wear is candidate number 1, Justin Montejos. The best in formal wear. Mainit-init pa po ito. Kakaabot lamang po sa akin. Guys, who's your bet? Who do you think will be the best in formal wear? Come on!
Nakakita akong number 8 doon sa bandang yun.
Oh, dito, 18. Dito, 99. Pero sa tayo cabinet number 99. Ito, 15. Yan, okay. Sige. Best informal wear goes to candidate number 1, Justin Montejos. Grabe, ulit-ulit. The next award will be Mr. Batangas Man of Power. Yan. Napaisip ko din, nakasabi ko, baka title na to ha. Nakatahan na. Okay. Sige Rene, ikaw na ang mag-announce kung sino yan.
Sino bang pinaka-power mo?
O baka maiba-iba naman. O sige.
Okay, maiba naman. Ang Mr. Batangas Man of Power is candidate number 1.
The next award is Mr. Batangas Man of Purpose. So guys, he's already the man of power. Iba na po ito, man of purpose. Candidate number! Yes, candidate number 20! Kalatagan! We have Mr. Batangas, Man of Passion. The Man of Passion is candidate number 10, MC Chester Menendez. Tanawan City. And finally,
the last for this set of awards, this is Man of People. You know, Ryan, na-realize ko ito pala yung 5P. 5 P's na sinasabi natin.
Ay, oo nga. 5 P's. Purpose, perseverance, passion, people, and power.
Okay, our Mr. Batangas Man of People is candidate number 23 from Dwight Gabriel Garcia.
All right, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Can you give a big hand to our winners for our Excellence Awards? You may go back to your places.
Video winner, and it is you, candidate number 12 from Patria Garcia.
And now, we are giving the Best Headshot Award. Okay? Hindi lang ulit isa, dalawa, tatlo po. Our third, second, and the Best Headshot winner. Ayan yung may pinakamaganda pong litrato buha ng mukha lamang po. Alright, Best Headshot, third placer is candidate number 21. Patrick Sedi Liquido from Tanawan City.
Our second place for Best Headshot goes to candidate number 12 from Patrick Garcia. That is Jerome Atienza, everybody.
And the Best Headshot winner. You got this. Candidate number